नमामि शारदां देवी वीणा पुस्तकधारिणीं नमस्कारकरस्तुम्मि प्रसन्नास्तु स सदा. Students, we are on the 11th part of Pythagoras theorem, 10th standard SSC, Maths 2. We are already on the problem set number 2. We have already completed 13th question. We are on the 14th question of this. And this is actually one of the lengthy question, we can say. It is not tough, but it is lengthy. So in a trapezium ABCD, now you should know what is meaning of trapezium. Trapezium is that quadrilateral in which what? Opposite sides, one pair of opposite sides are parallel, remaining are not. It is called as what? Trapezium. So in this case, AB is parallel to DC, but AD is not parallel to BC. That's why it is a trapezium. And one more thing is that area of trapezium, उसका फॉर्मूला तुम्हें मालूम होना चाहिए, हाफ इंटू सम ऑफ लेंथ ऑफ पैरेलल साइड्स into height. Sum of the length of parallel side. Now we'll see that which sides they have given. AD is 15, BC is also 15, AB is 25. So once you have to find out the area of trapezium, that is half into sum of the parallel side, AB plus DC, we don't know DC, as well as into height. Height is not at all given. So we have to find out the area of that trapezium. Okay, so we'll go for it now. Given, what is given? That quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. Is a trapezium in which segment AB is parallel to segment CD. AB is parallel to segment CD. Segment BD is perpendicular to segment AD. BD is perpendicular to AD, as well as segment AC is perpendicular to segment BC. And now they have given if AD is equal to 15 units, length of BC is equal to 15 units, and length AB is equal to 25 units. And what they are asked to find area of quadrilateral ABCD. So we have to find out area of trapezium ABCD. Students, as this question is little bit lengthy, I am going to remove this part because I require this part also to copy down. Okay, so now main thing is construction. In construction, we are going to draw this segment DM perpendicular to AB, and segment CM is also perpendicular to AB. So what construction we are going to do? Draw segment DM perpendicular to segment AB and segment DN perpendicular to segment AB, and A, M, N and B are collinear points. This is the construction what is required for this question. ये question को जिस तरह से मैं कर रहा हूँ ऐसे ही करना है तुम लोग को, because to find out the area we required height, तो I have not drawn one height, I have drawn two heights. तो हमें सबसे पहले देखना है कि height कैसे निकले. So we are going to make use of area of triangle is same irrespective from which side, which is the base you are going to take and which height you are going to take. Area will remain same. तो एक काम करते हैं, ADB में this is the hypotenuse, this is the base, so we'll find out what height. So height we can do with help of what? Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle ADB, which triangle I have taken? ADB, segment BD is perpendicular to segment AD. Segment BD is perpendicular to segment AD. This one is given, and therefore measure of angle ADB is equal to 90 degree. I can apply Pythagoras theorem, that is AD square plus BD square is equal to AB square. I am going to write by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. So AD is 15 square plus BD we don't know, is equal to 25 the whole square. If you know the values of this is 225 plus BD square is equal to 625. I know the value, we can put it directly. Otherwise, I should have transferred on this side 25 square minus 15 square, 25 plus 15, 25 minus 15. That is also one of the way. But it's okay. So BD square is equal to 625 minus 225. BD square is equal to 400. Correct? So taking positive square root, what I can write? BD is equal to root of 400. Length BD is equal to, I am getting 20 units. So this we are going to take it as what? Equation 1. Now what I am going to do, if AB is base and DM is height. Are you getting it? Sorry, I made a mistake over here. So ये बाद में लेना है हम लोग को. So what is the area of triangle ADB? Area of triangle ADB is equal to half into base into height. Half into base into height. So ADB, area of triangle ADB is equal to half into base. I am taking AD and height we are going to take BD. That is equal to half into 15 into 20. It will get cancelled. So area of triangle ADB is equal to 150 square unit. This I will take it as equation 2. Once again, see here now what we did. Here we applied Pythagoras theorem. I got this value as 20. Then I have applied the area of triangle ABC by taking BC, AD as the base and BD as the height. So half into base into height. So 15 a 20, 150 square. Now if AB is base and DM is height of triangle ADB. अब उसी ट्राइंगल को हमने क्या लिया? AB बेस लिया और DM हाइट लिया. थोड़ी भी एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ADB, एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ADB इज इक्वल टू हाफ इनटू बेस इनटू हाइट है. Half into base into height. So area of triangle ADB is equal to half into AB into DM. ADB is 150 is equal to half into 25 into DM. So what you are getting is 150 into 2 upon 25 is equal to DM. 25 ones are 25 6 are. Length DM is equal to 12 units. And this we are going to put in as equation number 3. Now we got DM as what? This is 12 centimeter. Is it right? So what is CN then? But CN is equal to DM. Here we can write what? Distance between two parallel sides. Therefore, length CN is equal to 12 units. This I will take it as equation number 4. So I got this also 12. This is also 12. अब हमें देखना है कि now student we got the height. This is also 12. This is also 12. तो half into some of the parallel into height. Height तो मिल गया. अब DC का प्रॉब्लम है. DC के लिए हम लोग एक काम करते हैं. पहला तो DMA में से AM निकाल देंगे बिकॉज ये 12 है. ये 50 है तो AM तो निकल जाएगा. तो what I'm going to do in triangle DMA. In triangle DMA, measure of angle DMA is equal to 90 degree. Reason लिखेंगे हम लोग since DM is perpendicular to AB. DM is perpendicular to AB. So what I can write is DM square plus AM square is equal to AD square by Pythagoras theorem. So DM square is how much? 12 square plus AM square I don't know is equal to 15 square. So 144 plus AM square is equal to 225. Therefore AM square is equal to 225 minus 144. AM square is equal to 5 minus 4 is 1. And this will become 81. So taking positive square root, I'll get AM is equal to root of 81. Or length AM is equal to 9 units. This I will take it as what? Equation 5. See, we got it is as a 8. Okay? Got it now? This I got as what? 8. Just one. Okay, so we got AM as what? 8. But if you consider this triangle is also 12, 12, 15, 15. So NB कितना बन जाएगा? 12. So we can write what? Similarly, length NB is equal to again 9 units only. That is equation number 6. But length AM plus length MN plus length NB is equal to length AB. A, M, N and B are collinear points. So what is value of AM? 9 plus MN plus 9 is equal to 25. Got it? That is from 5 and 6. That is from 5 and 6. Got it? So Mn is equal to 25 minus 18. Length Mn is equal to 7 units. This will be your equation number 7. कितना मिला? Mn is equal to 7. अब Mn अगर 7 और DC तो भी 7 जाना चाहिए, बट उसके लिए कुछ रीजन लिखना पड़ेगा. We cannot do it directly. So segment DM is perpendicular to segment AB and segment DN is also perpendicular to segment AB. This is due to construction. Correct? Therefore, what I can write? CN. Segment DM is parallel to segment CN. This I will take it as equation, statement number 8. Segments perpendicular to same line or same segment are parallel. Are parallel. Now, what I can write? Now, in quadrilateral DMNC, segment DC is parallel to segment AB, it is given, and segment DC is parallel to segment MN. Reason is A, M, N and B are collinear points, and segment DM is parallel to segment CN from 8. Therefore, quadrilateral DMNC is a parallelogram. And if it is a parallelogram, I can say that segment DC is equal to segment MN, opposite sides of parallelogram are congruent. But if you are writing opposite sides of parallelogram, it's okay. But you write opposite sides of parallelogram are congruent. So we got DC is equal to 7 centimeter. That will be equation number 8. Have you understood this? So students, this will be equation number 9. So up to here, let's see, the main target is to find out value of DC. We have calculated height as well as the DC. DC we got as what? 7. So now it is easy to find out what area of trapezium. But I will do one thing. I will just revise it once again to look easy. In trapezium ABCD, segment AB is parallel to segment CD. BD is perpendicular to AD. Even AC is perpendicular to BC. A15 is AD 15 BC 15 or AB 25. And they have asked you area of trapezium ABCD. So trapezium है, whatever is given, we have drawn area of trapezium. So what I did, I have drawn DM perpendicular to AB, CN is perpendicular to AB, and these 3 points are collinear. Now what I did, first of all ADB लिया और ADB में हमने क्या किया, Pythagoras apply किया. We got value of BD as what? 20. It is 90 degree. Hypotenuse we know AD. We have calculated what BD. BD is 20. I have taken as equation 1. Then I find out the area of triangle ADB. Area of triangle ADB by taking AD as a base and BD as a height, we got 150. But in same triangle ADB, अगर मैंने AB लिया और height DM लिया, तो area तो change होगा, वही 150 रहेगा. Base is 25 and we got DM. DM का value कितना मिला? 12. Means we got the height of trapezium 12. तो CN भी उतना ही रहेगा because they are the distance between what? Two parallel lines. Then what I did, I have applied the Pythagoras theorem for triangle DMA. A15, A12, so I got AM is equal to 8. Sorry, AM is equal to 9 we got. Okay, AM is equal to 9. This is 9, that's why this is also 9. And as these 4 points are collinear, we got MN as what? 7. तो ये अगर 7 है, ये भी 7 होगा. That we did. So students, do one thing. This part, because I have not calculated what area of quadrilateral ABCD, but उसके लिए जो basic requirement है, वो मैंने पूरा किया है. तो please put the therefore sign properly, representation अच्छा रखो और ये सब part please copy कर लेना. Okay, it is one of the important question. खुद को भी घर में खुद से करने आना चाहिए. We have to practice also. Please put therefore sign properly and copy down it. Properly copy down. So we have to find out area of trapezium. To be right, area of trapezium is equal to half into sum of length of parallel sides into height. Therefore, area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to half into sum of the parallel side is AB plus DC into height is DM, or you can take CN, anything. That is equal to half into 25 plus 7, into 12. So, half into 32 into 12, half into 16, 12 6 are 72, 12 ones are 12 plus 7 is 9, that will be square units. So, your final answer is area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to 192 square units. You put in the box. This is your final answer. Okay? Copy down it properly. Question number 16. What they are given to you? Given in figure, this triangle PQR is an equilateral triangle. So, triangle PQR is an equilateral triangle. Then they have given Q, S and R are called S lie on QR and QS is 1/3 of QR. Main thing is what they are asked to prove. They asked to prove that 9PS square is equal to 7PQ square. 9PS square is equal to 7PQ square. We are going to do some construction. In construction, we are going to draw a perpendicular from P to QR, say PM. So, segment PM is perpendicular to side QR. This type of question we have already completed, just we are going to revise it. Okay, so QM are collinear points. Is it right? Now, what we know about the equilateral triangle, I told you that all the sides of equilateral triangle are congruent. So, we'll take that point only. Okay, so triangle PQR is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So PQ is equal to QR is equal to PR. I'll take it as about equation 1. All sides of that therefore, okay, and angle PQR is equal to 60 degree. The reason we are going to write angle of equilateral triangle. Angle of equilateral triangle. Therefore, measure of angle PQM is equal to 60 degree. We are going to write PS and M are collinear points. Have you understood this? Now, after doing that, what I am going to do is, now in triangle PMQ, measure of angle PMQ is equal to 90 degree. Since we can write PM is perpendicular to QR. Okay, angle PQM is equal to 60 degrees from, I can write 1. Therefore, measure of angle QPM is equal to 30 degree, remaining angle of quadrant triangle PMQ. Therefore, by 30 degrees, 60 degree and 90 degrees theorem, or by theorem of 30 degrees, 60 degree and 90 degrees triangle, I can say that QM is half of PQ, side opposite to 30 degree, and PM is equal to half of, PM is half of, root 3 upon 2 times of PQ. This I will take it as equation 2, this I will take it as 3, and that side opposite to 60 degree. Now what they have given, they had given that QS is 1/3 of QR. Correct? QS is 1/3 of QR. So 3QS is equal to 3QS is equal to QR. Is it right? Got it now? So this is there, or you can directly take it as equation 4 over there. Okay. Now QM is equal to half of PQ. Correct? So it is from 3 to QM is equal to half of QR from 1. Is it right? Now instead of QR, QM is equal to half of QR. Okay, half of QR, take it as equation 4. Now you take it as equation 5. Now what I'm going to do is QS plus SM is equal to QM. Reason is QS and M are what? Collinear points. So QS plus SM is equal to QM. So QS is equal to QR upon 3. QM is equal, SM is equal to, I don't know what is value of SM, is equal to, QM is QR by 2. So SM become QR by 2 minus QR by 3. So SM is equal to 3QR minus 2QR upon 2 into 3. So SM is equal to QR upon 6. QR upon 6. So length SM is equal to QR by 6. Okay? Got it now? Now, I will take in triangle PMS. In triangle PMS, measure of angle PMS is equal to 90 degree as PM is perpendicular to QR. I can apply Pythagoras theorem because we want to find out value of PS only. So what happen now? PS square is equal to PM square plus SM square by Pythagoras theorem. So PS square is equal to, instead of PM, I can write root 3 upon 2, root 3 PQ upon 2, and SM is equal to the whole square plus QR upon 6 the whole square. Is it right? We can write from 3 and here I can write 6. 3 and 6. So PS square is equal to 3PQ square upon 4, and instead of QR I can write PQ upon 6 the whole square. Or you can, okay, that is from 1. Instead of QR, what I can write? PQ. So PS square is equal to 3PQ square upon 4 plus PQ square upon 36. So what you are going to do is 4 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमें 36 मिलेगा तो 9 से. So what you got now? PS square is equal to 27 PQ square upon 36 plus PQ square upon 36. PS square is equal to 28 PQ square upon 36. It gets cancelled and we got 9 PS square is equal to 7 PQ square. It is your final answer. Student, I am going to revise it once again. और आपको अच्छी तरह समझना है किस तरह से हमने ये क्वेश्चन को किया. First of all, what they are given to you? It is an equilateral triangle. QS is 1/3 of QR, and what you have to prove is PS square is equal to 7 PQ square. तो पहली बात तो ये equilateral triangle है. These 3 points are called here. QS 1/3 of QR. और उन्होंने पूछा है कि PS square is equal to 7 PQ square. So construction में PM is perpendicular to QR. QM are collinear points. Equilateral triangle है तो PQ, QR और PR will be equal. Equation 1 and PQR I have taken 60 degree angle ratio, so I have taken PQM is equal to 60 degree. Now in triangle PMQ is 90, PQM is 60, therefore remaining angle is 30. I applied 30 degree, 60, 90 degrees triangle theorem. QM will become half of PQ, side opposite to 30 degree, and PM will be root 3 upon 2 type of PQ, equation 3. And QS is 1/3 of QR they have given, so QM is equal to half of PQ from equation what? 3. So QM is equal to half of QR because PQ is equal to QR. So QM is equal to QM upon 2. Now QS plus SM is equal to QM. They are collinear points. Instead of QS, what I can write? QR by 2. SM तो ऐसे रहेगा, ये QR by 2 है. तो what you got is SM is equal to QR by 6. और QR by 6 का मतलब होता है PQ by 6 only because three sides are equal. Then I have taken triangle PMQ. In triangle PMQ, PMS is equal to 90 degree, and apply Pythagoras theorem, that is PS square is equal to PQ square plus SM square. But we are having PS square as PS square only. PM का value है root 3 upon 2 PQ the whole square. और it is QR upon 6 the whole, but QR के लिए भी क्या यूज कर सकते हैं? PQ. So what you got? 3 PQ square by 4 or PQ square by 36. But denominator it is 4 and 36. To make the denominator same, I have multiplied by what? 9. So 27 PQ square by 36, PQ square by 36. So what you got is PS square is 28 square. 28 PQ square by 36. When I cancel it, I got 9 PS square is equal to 7 PQ square. It is again a question with star. So स्टूडेंट वी शुड बी वेरी केयरफुल और इसको प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी। तुम लोगों को कम से कम 2-3 बार खुद से प्रैक्टिस करो, रिवाइंड द वीडियो एक बार देखो एंड देन यू कॉपी डाउन इट प्रॉपर्ली, और 2-3 बार तो रिटर्न प्रैक्टिस करो। दिस क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। 30 क्वेश्चन, सेगमेंट PM is a median of triangle PQR. PQ is equal to 40, PR is equal to 42, PM is equal to 29, find QR. ये अपोलोनियस थ्योरम वाला ही क्वेश्चन है, इजी है, we can do it easily. First of all we'll draw a figure. This is triangle PQR where PM is the median. Okay, PM is a median. We'll draw PM as the median. Then they are asked to find out what QR. So given in triangle PQR, segment PM is median. PM is median. Length PQ is equal to 40 units. Length PR is equal to 42 units, and length PM is equal to 29 units. And what they are asked to find is length QR. Length QR. So I think we can apply this Apollonis theorem properly. We get the value of QM first to find out. Solution. In triangle PQR, segment PM is median. Therefore, by Apollonius theorem, I can apply Apollonius theorem as PQ square plus PR square is equal to 2PM square plus 2QM square. Okay, so PQ square, the value of PQ is 40 the whole square, PR is 42 the whole square, 2 into 29 whole square plus 2QM square. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट इज 4 का स्क्वायर इज 16, एक 0 की जगह पे 2 0 लिखना है। आई डोंट नो द वैल्यू ऑफ 42 का स्क्वायर, तो आई एम गोइंग टू डू इज 4 8 8 16, तो 4 6 7 1 7 6 4 is equal to 2 into the square of 29, I know 841 होता है, right? It's plus 2QM square. So we are getting 4 6 3 3. And it is 4 6 3 3 is equal to 2 8 16 plus 2QM square. Have you understood this now? Okay, so 3364 minus 1682 is equal to 2QN square. Okay, so if I subtract 3384 minus, I'm getting 2 16 minus 8 is 16, then 1 is equal to 2QM square. So 1682 divided by 2 is equal to QM square. I am getting 841. Okay. So QM square is equal to 841. देखो यहाँ भी आया था 841. So what I would write, taking positive square root, QM is equal to root of 841, or length QM is 29 units. Okay, but they have not asked you QM, they have asked you QR, as PM is a median of triangle PQR. So what I can write is QM if as PM is a median of triangle PQR, M is midpoint of PR. So length PM is equal to half of length PR. So 29 is equal to half into length PR, or length PR is equal to 29 into 2. Length PR is equal to 58 units. This you could copy down. It's a simple question. खाली calculation थोड़ा सा लेंगे था. Copy down it properly. Now this is the last question of your problem set 2. In triangle ABC, AM is a median. AB is equal to 22, AC is equal to 34, and BC is equal to 24. And they are asked to find out what AM. So, given in triangle ABC, segment AM is a median. AB, length AB is equal to 22 units. Length AC is equal to 34 units. And length BC is equal to 24 units. And what they are asked to find? To find AM, length AM. Again, it is a median, so we are going to apply the Apollon's theorem. Simple है, but they have while applying we required BM और उन्हें BC दिया हुआ है, तो solution का पहला वो निकालेंगे. Solution in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, segment AM is median. Therefore, M is the midpoint of side BC. M is midpoint of side BC. Therefore, length BM is equal to half of length BC. So, BM is equal to half into 24. So length BM is equal to 12 units. Equation 1. Again, in triangle ABC, segment AM is a median. Therefore, AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AM square plus 2BM square by Apollonius theorem. Which theorem it is? Apollonius theorem. AB square is equal to 22 the whole square, 34 square plus 2am square, I don't know, plus 2 into 12 square. 2 into 12 square. Got it? So, we know that 22 square is 484. 34 का स्क्वायर शायद पता नहीं रहेगा, बट फाइंड आउट करो तुम लोग. कॉपी डाउन. We have to calculate 1156 is the value of 34 square plus 2am square plus 2 into 144. प्लीज ये 30 तक तो तुम्हें यहाँ वैल्यूज याद होनी चाहिए. 6 plus 4 is 0, 1, 4, 1 plus 6, 1, 6, 4, 0 is equal to 2am square plus 882. So 1640 minus 288 is equal to 2 am square. Then 10 minus, this will become 3, 10 minus 8 is 2, then 5, and 1452 1352 is equal to 2 am square. So am square is equal to 1352 upon 2. Am square is equal to 676. Taking positive square root. Length am is equal to, I'll get 676. So length am is equal to 26 units. This is the final answer for am. It's a very simple question what we did at last. एंड बहुत अच्छा हुआ, बहुत कुछ ज्यादा कुछ दिमाग लगाना नहीं पड़ा, except little bit calculation, but it is an easy question, anyone can do it. So एक बार रिवाइज कर लो और अच्छे से खुद से करने का ट्राई करो. Okay, so this is the end of your 11th part. We have completed with the Pythagoras theorem chapter completely. So all the best then. Comment on it.